Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar rose 0.4% against the yen in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US stocks dropped, with chipmaker stocks extending losses for a second day, and as a jump in producer prices left investors wondering if the Federal Reserve might wait longer than expected to cut interest rates. North Korean hackers tied to its infamous Lazarus Group have used coin-mixing service Tornado Cash to launder $12 million worth of Ether in 24 hours. Research shows that more than 40 transactions have been sent by Lazarus Group to Tornado Cash on March the 13th and March the 14th. A total of 134 countries representing 98% of the global economy are now exploring digital versions of their currencies, with over half in advanced development, pilot or launch stages, a closely followed study showed.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French Consumer Price Index will be released at 0745 GMT, Japan's Tertiary Industry Index at 0430 GMT, the US Industrial Production at 1315 GMT. Finland's Gross Domestic Product will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's Consumer Inflation Expectations at 0930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.